In this video, I will show you how to delete Telegram account permanently. So let's get started. First, open Telegram app on your device. Now tap three horizontal lines located at the top left side. Next, tap Settings to access Telegram account settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Under Delete My Account, tap If Away for option. In the pop-up, select 1 month. Just wait for 1 month and do not access your Telegram account. After 1 month completion, Telegram will automatically delete your account if it is not used for last 1 month. So that is how you can delete Telegram account permanently on Android. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.